Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where your Microsoft Store is not working on your Windows, or in some cases that this is also not opening, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. First, in the Windows search bar, type here Store. We are going to repair the Microsoft Store. Right click on it, right click on this under the best match and then select App Settings. Now in this window, simply scroll down and you will find Reset. If this system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on Repair. And once done, click on Reset and then reset once again. And once you have reset the Microsoft Store, simply close this window and then just make a restart of your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Next method is press the Windows key and R button together. Here in the Run window, we are going to type some command in order to remove or clear the cache of the Microsoft Store. So type here WS reset. It's WS reset and then click on OK. And this will lead you to the Microsoft Store and this will also open the Microsoft Store for you. So this is also one of the best fixes for this problem. Next method is we also need to make sure that we have or we are in the current correct date and time. So you can check that here on the bottom right corner for the correct date and time. You also need to make sure of that. Then we can also run a command in order to repair the whole computer or to check for any integrity violation and repair the system files. So in the Windows search bar, type here cmd best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here type this command sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now and hit on enter. So this process will take some time. We just need to wait for the verification process to be completed. So it's currently starting the process. Once done, just type exit and then hit enter. And then before we are going to make a restart of our Windows, click on the start button, go to settings. We also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. Then on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then here, just simply click on the button like check for any updates or download and install updates or do what it suggests, like click on restart now. So just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, then you need to launch the Microsoft Store again and download your favorite application. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.